Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, APCX Payments is partnering with Corix Solutions. Bitfarms has reached 5 exahash per second in production, and Digital has posted its 2022 financial results. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so APCX Payments Corp., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker APCX, has announced a strategic partnership with Corix Solutions, LLC. Corix, according to the press release, is an integrator of the open-source Waves Enterprise blockchain. This partnership will see a strengthening in APCX's global reach and expands its footprint by supporting integrations with its patent-based portfolio in text-to-pay, geolocation-based solutions, and peer-to-peer mobile payment systems. Virgil Lapitan, the president of APCX, said, quote, "We are excited to add Corix as a strategic partner and look forward to utilizing their flexible hybrid blockchain that combines the advantages of private and public permissioned blockchain technologies to support our commerce platform globally." End quote. The news from this press release dropped yesterday, and stock for APCX Payments Corp. At the time of recording is up 16.93%. Next up, Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol BITF, has announced that it reached 5 exahash per second of production on April 27th, just yesterday. This follows the energizing of 2,100 new miners in Argentina, contributing to an additional 250 petahash per second of total production. The company's CFO, Jeff Lucas, said, quote, "With expected energy costs below 3 cents per kilowatt hour and highly efficient new Bitcoin miners, the farm in Argentina is a key component of our strategy to control costs and maintain our best-in-class average cost of Bitcoin mined while increasing top-line revenue. This expansion exemplifies our commitment to prudent and responsible growth with a disciplined approach focused on driving competitive returns on investment for our shareholders." End quote. Lastly, for today, Digital Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol BTBT, has posted its fiscal year 2022 financial highlights. Some of these highlights include a total revenue of $32.3 million, $31.4 million of which comes from Bitcoin mining services, while a further $0.9 or $900,000 comes from Ether mining services. The company also posted an earnings of 1,247.5 BTC and 294.3 Ether for the year. Management commentary from the press release reads, quote, "Our goal for 2023 is to double our active hash rate to approximately 2.6 exahash per second. To achieve this goal, we intend to opportunistically acquire new-gen ASICs. Our view has been that ASIC market conditions would progressively favor buyers and are ready to capitalize on that trend." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by APCX Payments Corp. APCX is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit aptechcorp.com. APCX trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol APCX.